A Bloomfield father is now charged with abusing his daughter so badly she's in a coma. And according to investigators, the 5-year-old wasn't just beaten, but burned with cigarettes and locked in a tiny room. Inside the UNM Children's Hospital, 5-year-old Angela is fighting for her life. Doctors say she has a badly injured brain, and it appears her head had been slammed against the floor. In court documents, doctors say, quote, she was a horribly beaten child. They go on to say she has bruises covering her body and cigarette burns on the back of her hands and on the webbing between her fingers. They say the girl is not breathing on her own and may not live. Investigators believe the girl's father, Daniel Garcia, is the one who did this to her. He has now been arrested on charges of child abuse resulting in great bodily harm. Deputies began investigating this case back on August 13th when the girl was taken to the hospital with a head injury and seizures. Investigators say when they later searched Garcia's Bloomfield home, they discovered that the girl had been locked in a small room with nothing but a stripped-down bed, trash bags full of clothes, and a toddler toilet. Police say there was a deadbolt on the outside of the door. Well, deputies believe the girl suffered repeated attacks. They believe the one that put her in a coma happened when the girl and her 3-year-old brother accidentally spilled some trash, and the girl walked away from her stepmother, who was telling her to clean up. Garcia denies he hurt the girl, but did tell deputies, quote, I always have to tell her not to walk away while someone's talking to her, and she needs to listen to people. At this point, the stepmother is not facing charges. Now, the girl's biological mother, we're told, has been in a heated custody dispute with Garcia and hadn't seen her daughter since February. The girl's half-brother and 2 half-sisters also lived in the home. We're told there were no obvious signs of abuse on them, but the Children, Youth and Families Department has taken custody of the kids along with the girl while the investigation continues.